So you want to make changing your brake pads a little bit easier. One way to do it would be to take your entire caliper off. There's two big bolts back here that they need to be torqued down to, I believe, 155 pounds or 160 pounds of torque, which can be a lot when you're under a lift, and I don't know. One easier way to do it, which a lot of people don't really talk about, but I actually read about it online, and it's pretty good. On this side here, there is a caliper socket, and there's a special socket that you can buy, or I should say bolt with special teeth. It's a caliper socket tool. This is what it is. You can buy it on Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks. This thing here, if you just simply take this bolt out here, the hardest part of getting these clips off of this pin, it's just finagling, man. It's not that hard. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 T40 pins also that just hold the brake pads in place. So you can just pull those out. The brake pads slide right out the top. You don't have to take off the entire caliper. I won't say it's a lot easier. It's a lot easier. Simply because you don't have to take the whole caliper off, but some people would rather take the caliper off and go from the inside. This way you can do it from the top side. That's it.
I'll see you.